Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, let's dive into a full, detailed look at the 2026 Honda Accord, a car that continues to lead the midsize sedan segment with style, performance, and practicality. Whether you're a fan of the Accord or just curious about what this latest model offers, you're in for a treat. The 2026 Accord brings a refined design that builds on the previous generation's sleek, modern silhouette. The front end now looks sharper with a slimmer grille and narrower LED headlights, giving it a sportier and more upscale presence. Subtle changes at the rear, including a slightly redesigned bumper and taillights, give it a more planted stance on the road. Across all trim levels, including LX, Sport, EXL, Sport L, and the Touring Hybrid, the design feels balanced and premium without being too flashy. When it comes to performance, the Accord offers two strong engine choices. The base models come with a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine producing 192 horsepower, paired with a smooth CVT. It's well suited for daily driving, offering decent acceleration and great fuel economy. But the real standout is the hybrid version, which uses a 2.0-liter engine combined with two electric motors. This setup delivers around 204 horsepower and exceptional fuel efficiency, with over 48 miles per gallon in mixed driving. The hybrid system has been tuned for smoother transitions, and it feels very natural whether you're in stop-and-go traffic or cruising on the highway. Step inside, and you'll notice how thoughtfully designed the cabin is. The dashboard layout is clean and modern, featuring a large 12.3-inch touchscreen in most trims. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and in the Touring Hybrid, you also get Google built-in, offering voice control, navigation, and apps in a seamless interface. The digital instrument panel adds to the tech-forward feel without overwhelming the driver. Comfort is another strong point. The seats are comfortable and supportive, with plenty of space for both front and rear passengers. The materials used throughout the cabin feel high quality, and even the lower trims give off an upscale vibe. Honda has also done a great job with noise insulation, making the ride quiet and relaxing. Plus, there's generous trunk space, making it a very practical choice for families or road trips. On the safety front, every 2026 Accord comes with Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced safety features. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and traffic sign recognition. These features work well in real-world driving and give you peace of mind, whether you're commuting or traveling long distances. All in all, the 2026 Honda Accord is a smart, stylish, and reliable sedan that continues to raise the bar. Whether you value fuel efficiency, comfort, or the latest tech, this car delivers on all fronts. It's not trying to be flashy, it's just doing everything right in a smart, understated way. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more honest car reviews. See you in the next one.